Vancouver Island. It's known for its rugged coastlines and wild, wet rainforests, earning it a spot on Lonely Planet's 2022's destination list. But we have a problem that few visitors or locals get a glimpse of. People treating our rainforests as their personal garbage dump. It's not just a small issue either, it's everywhere. And over the years, it's only gotten worse, causing more gate closures from logging companies like Mosaic, restricting public access to our backcountry. And being I spend as much time in the wilderness as possible, this is a trend I would hope comes to an end.
On camera, police looking for two men seen illegally dumping.
It's a good question. You might have seen it too, especially when it comes to trash along the side of the road.
Here is KSAT Explains Illegal Dumping.
Illegal dumping is a messy problem plaguing the Comox Valley. People are leaving unwanted furniture, electronics, and other junk wherever they think they can get away with it. On the side of the road, in the backwoods, even in the ocean.
And that's why we're coming out here today, to clean up as much garbage as possible in a day. Alright, so let me show you what we're dealing with. This location has been an illegal dump site for many years, with a majority of the garbage being buried under deadfall and foliage. Stick around until the end when I reveal the final weight of all the trash we removed. It amazes me on what we accomplished in a day. Yeah, gotta get busy cleaning some of this up. Won't take long to fill the trailer. Ari's working hard, getting some garbage bag filled up. I don't know. Let's see how many we go through. Well, this was a garbage bag too. Oh, this really fell apart. Take the lids off of them and step on them. Just to like squish them down. What? I know it isn't the nicest job, is it?
Why can't we listen to music?
You can. Anyone down for some disco? Got a fish.
It's the first fish I've ever caught. Its name is Big Mouth Billy Bass.
Would you eat that fish?
I caught one! I caught one!
Thank you. I really should have brought a bigger trailer. This is all I got though. Think I can get this to the trailer from here? Alright. Yeah.
Oh, you suck.
I do suck. Who needs a chair?
Some of it's embedded, so I'm just getting all the stuff.
Yeah, I don't know if we can fit anymore. It's getting full.
Like, so just these two?
Yeah. Yeah, I think in just those last two.
Isn't it cute? Oh, no, just kidding. Just
All right, load one finished. Time to go drop it off at the dump.
You know what, the dump song?
The dump song?
Hi-ho, it's off to the dump we go. I can't whistle it though.
take it.
Not too bad.
Ain't too bad.
That's too damn bad, Grandpa.
Alright, so we got a running bet on how much that trailer fold is gonna weigh. My guess is 500.
249.
249 is your guess? Alright. Let's see who's closer. Drop your guess in the comments. I want to know what you think the first trailer's gonna weigh. Alright, she's converting the weight right now. How many kilograms did we get?
It's really slow.
No, it says on the receipt.
Oh, 200. I'm really
How many kilograms did we get?
I'm really slow. 210.
210 kilograms. I think I'm gonna be closer. I'm for sure closer. Alright, we're about to hear the weight. Drum roll, please.
462.971 pounds.
Ooh, who's closer? Alright, we are back for round 2. And so this time around, our goal is to get as much of the large stuff out of here as possible. Whatever we can kind of fit in the trailer. Yeah, let's get as much of this out. Come back later. Someone's Ruby Jr. Robertson, January 3rd, 2010. We're picking out artifacts here.
Maybe you are. I'm trying to get the kiddie pool. I want the kiddie pool. What?
They're coming back.
Oh, it's just not quite on my side. I did it! I did it! Sorry, I would say we did it, but like we were up there most of the time before we got to I found this suitcase, I found luggage.
I know.
Okay. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna just toss this over for you.
Our second load is all packed up.
Yeah.
We've put a little bit of a dent in it, but it doesn't really feel like much.
It's a little.
It's a little bit. So in the comments, tag your favorite off-road content creator. I want to challenge them if they can haul out more garbage than me in a day. So tag everyone that you like watching. I want to see some more content put out like this. 'Cause if we all do it, there'll be a lot less trash in the bush. Anyways, it's off to the dump. Get our final weight for the day. I'm very curious of how much we got. All right, what was our last load weight?
385.8 pounds. So then it brings our grand total to 385 kilograms, which is 848.78 pounds.
Well, that's what anyone's got to try and break. Any other content creators you want to challenge them to try and
With only two
outdo
people.
me? Yeah, yeah, that's the rule. You gotta have only 2 people.
No,
They're gonna have like
people's
20 people out there. Like, just crush it. Crush this number for the day.
Yeah, they should.
No.
I wish we had more people.
I know.
Bring all your friends.